Hi guys, today we're gonna discuss about the VMware installation. Before anything else, we're gonna discuss first about VMware. Like, what is VMware? We're gonna discuss about the features, pros and cons. So what is VMware and how does it work? VMware is a virtualization and cloud computing software provider headquartered in Palo Alto, California. It was founded in 1998 and it was later acquired by Dell Technologies in 2016. VMware Server Virtualization allows a hypervisor to be installed on physical server, allowing multiple virtual machines to run on the same physical server. For the next one, we're gonna discuss the features of VMware. Discovering VMware features. So, VMware is good for application management, remote update or installation, VDI, virtual machine encryption, virtual machine monitoring, and lastly, virtual server. The next one that we will discuss are the pros and cons of using VMware. The first pros of using VMware is that it is solid vendor support. Then, you can easily control the layer components without security patches. It is also an ultimate feature set. All AWS applications are available. Lastly, no external OS is required for management components. And for the cons of using VMware, it is quite tricky to learn in the beginning. The second one, it has limited options with trial version. And VMware sometimes struggles. The next one, there are some complex devices that slows down the initialization time. And lastly, sometimes corrupt external code also hang the server. Now that we finished our discussion about VMware, we can now start with our installation. First, you need to open your browser. Then you need to search VMware free download. You need to choose the site at the top. This is the official website of VMware. As you can see here, we can download VMware for Windows and also for Linux. But for our tutorial, we're gonna use the one for the Windows. So we're gonna download it now, as you can see. We're just gonna wait until it is finished. When it is done, you can check it in its folder. When you see the file, just open it and run it as an administrator. Now it is preparing our installation for VMware. We just have to wait until it is finished. Now that it is ready, we just click next. These are the license agreement. We can choose to read it and then afterwards we can check the box. Just click next again. We can choose to check this, but in my case I will leave it as blank. And then you can also change the location where it can be downloaded. Afterwards, just click next until we can see the install. Now we just have to wait until it is finished. We just have to be patient until it is done. And we're done. Just click finish, and then as you can see in our desktop, we can now see the VMware. Just click it and run it as an administrator. And now our installation is done. As you can see here, we can see the VMware. So these are the features in our VMware. We can create a new virtual machine, open a virtual machine, and upgrade to VMware Workstation Pro. Thanks for listening.